What up, guys? I'm gonna try to do a quick intro. Today is Monday. I don't work today, don't work tomorrow. I'm in the Civic, as you guys see. I'm gonna go right now to do my brakes. My brakes are completely shot on this car. When I press the brakes, the back is going. The pad gotta be completely roasted. So I'm gonna do all four. And then I'm gonna shape down the wheel weld on the back end of my car. I did it on the passenger side years ago. I didn't really get to finish on the driver's side. The reason I'm doing this is because the tire is big and my suspension is not the greatest right now, and it's rubbing on the inside of the quarter. And I literally cracked my paint, like literally like a looks like you grabbed a needle and just scratched it. I chipped the paint that much, so I don't want to keep fucking it up. And I have a little bit of bond on that side too, so I don't want to like rip the whole shit out. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to my dad's job, do that, do the brakes, do that, and I'm gonna check the throttle body. I feel like the throttle body on this car stays stuck open too, so I'm gonna probably adjust that and adjust. Well, see if I can fix the wire. See if I can check the wire on for the VTEC solenoid. See if I see anything. But yeah, let's get the thing started. It's hard to drive this car. See, it's like the throttle body stays like stuck open, and it just won't. It just starts idling crazy. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the iPhone footage, man. This is all on my iPhone. I'm honestly loving it. Yeah, my wideband is finito. Doesn't even work. Yeah, that shit is finished. My dad's job. It's been so long since the car has been here. My dad didn't have the lift. Yeah, I took it off, so I got another one. So I get to work on the car again here. Let's go. All right, so these are brakes I got here. The two fronts. No, sorry, these are the two rears and the two fronts. What I want to make sure is that the rears, which I haven't even got to check, are the same size, because I have integral brakes like that. The SI brakes, SI rears and all that shit, they're all the same size. So just want to make sure. Put this on here real quick. They're the same. These things were finito. What the fuck? All right, so I already got the pads. I took the pads out already. The pads were still in good shape. Also, got new ones of those. And yeah, then once we come back, we gotta make sure we lube all of this up. All right, so this side is already out. Got the rotors here. That is greasing up the little the bolt that goes that goes in there. You always gotta grease those up. I noticed some oil drip, but my oil pan and everything was like wet, like around here. But no, it's not the gasket. This shit is the fucking like a $60 oil pack gasket. It's that Speed Factory one that they sell that comes with aluminum insert or whatever inside of it. But it can also be because I changed my oil 2 days ago. So you know, when you take out the oil filter, take out the oil filter, you know, all the oil just comes down. So it could have went through here, all the way around through here. All of this was like a little bit wet. I know this I gotta change, which I thought it was gonna be good, but it's not. I have one in my house, so I gotta change that also. I don't have one with me now, but I just cleaned up the pan and everything, so make sure. Cause it had some drips and all of this was still wet. But again, when you take out the oil filter, you know, all the oil runs through here. It'll just run around. The oil just keeps travel like a little bit up to the front too. But I think we should be good. Yeah, that is wheeling those up. This one's already out. I gotta change the wheel bearing also too. Not today, but we'll get to that. Take these rotors out. Clips. Nice little slider rollers, nothing crazy. Side is on. Got these on the other side. finish off the front, and then just continue to the back. And when my dad does that, I'm gonna start taking off the rears. Heading back to my dad's job real quick. I had to get some different brake pads. I ordered some brake pads and rotors and stuff. And the pads that came with the rotors and stuff that I got were so big that the fucking caliper will not close back down. So had to run real quick, buy a set of 2 fronts, Duralax ones. Yeah, we're gonna go back now. Ran into a little bit of issue with the little I don't know what you call it, with the little sliding, I guess, pin, I guess, that slides in. Obviously, you put the little bolt on that I showed you guys. The one on the driver's side was dirty, so when we was trying to push it in, it had like air that wouldn't come out, so we had to clean it and then spray some like WD-40 to clean it out and just push all the air back out. Then it was actually able to close. But the brake pads were so fucking meaty, pause, like it was like fucking that big. I kind of knew it was gonna give me an issue, so we tried to make it work. Didn't work at all. So got a set of some Duralast, obviously 2 fronts, for like $50, something like that. Yeah, like I think it was $50. So I'm gonna go back now, put those on. My dad's finishing the rears. The rear should be done or about to be done. I know my right rear caliper, the piston, I've always had issues with it where it doesn't want to, like, sometimes it stays like stuck. So I know I gotta get calipers and stuff also, but I'm just trying to like knock out the easy stuff. Well, I'm trying to knock out like all the stuff that I need to get done like ASAP, and then move on. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up this car. Oh, look at the difference in these pads. What the fuck? Yo, that is insane. All right, so just finished up the front. Now we're doing the back. These are twist to compress. These are twist to push in the piston. It's not like the regular push-in, so we have to get that, twist it, and yeah, we're just gonna do the 2 rears and we should be good. And then I have to just cut this off. That's what I gotta cut off right here. On the other side, it's cut off. The wheel hits like around here, so just gotta shave all of this down and should be on the money. All right, all the other ones are done. This is the one that always gives me issues. Gotta get a new caliper for this side. I feel like that one is staying, it stays like stuck out. So definitely gotta get a new caliper soon. So I just did this side, went a little bit more. You guys can see. I should be good. I shouldn't be rubbing. It's just because this suspension is super fucking cheap. Not cheap, but it's not. It's not good. Alright, finally all finished. I gotta get this thing too. When I pick the hood up, this shit shows so much black condensation everywhere. What up, guys? So it's a few days later. You know me, always forgetting to close the video. It's a few days. The car's actually right now at my dad's job. You guys have probably already seen me working on the car. Well, not even yet, because the next vlog is not yet, but I'm working on the next vlog right now, which is doing my wheel bearing and stuff like that. So just wanted to close out the video. Everything, the brakes are working fine. Everything is good. Brakes in the back rear seem to be closing and opening a lot better now since we lubricated and cleaned it up and stuff. So I'm looking forward to seeing what else I gotta do to the car. Today I'm actually gonna be checking out the VTEC pin on the ECU side, and also on the cylinder side. I'm gonna see if I'm getting power on both sides. I just gotta make sure to see if I'm getting power on both sides. That way I can just continue to go down the line. But again, I don't think it's the rockers. I think the rockers are perfectly fine. If I see that I'm getting power, then whatever, I'm gonna go tune, call it a day. If I know I'm not getting power, then know something else. If anything, I could just literally just run one straight wire from the ECU pin out for the VTEC straight to the solenoid, and I'll just call it a day. So just wanted to let you guys know. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys already know. Hope to enjoy. Peace out.